अमरीकी महकमः खारजः के तर्जुमान टेमी ब्रूस ने वाज़ेह किया कि यह हकीकत वाज़ेह है कि ईरान के पास जौहरी हथियार नहीं। मीडिया को ब्रीफिंग के दौरान टेमी ब्रूस ने कहा कि सदर ट्रंप ने कई बार वाज़ेह तौर पर कहा है कि ईरान को जौहरी हथियार रखने की इजाज़त नहीं दी जाएगी। उन्होंने कहा कि अमरीकी शहरी किसी भी सूरत में इसराइल, ईरान और इराक का सफ़र न करें।
The fact that Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon is clear. As the White House reminds us, since taking office, President Trump has clearly stated no fewer than a dozen times that Iran cannot be allowed to have a nuclear weapon, for anyone who's unclear on that fact. One of the highest priorities of the Trump administration is the safety and security of the American people. To that end, the Department of State has established the Middle East Task Force to help coordinate support for U.S. citizens, our U.S. diplomatic missions, and personnel and diplomatic engagement. We remind U.S. citizens not to travel to Israel or Iraq and not to travel to Iran under any circumstances.